We are going to compare Claude with GPT inside Researcher Agent in Microsoft 365. I've taken three scenarios: finance, marketing, and HR. I gave the same prompt to Claude and GPT, compared the output, and then gave a rating to both of them. These are the results. So let's understand the process first. I'm using paid version of Microsoft 365 Copilot. I go to the navigation pane and go to Researcher. In Researcher, I'm going to give the prompts and I want it to look only at external web sources. So I'm going to switch off work, and then from this drop down, I will choose Claude and GPT depending on the testing I'm doing. Same prompt for Claude, same for GPT. If you don't see Claude here, you'll have to do some settings and configuration. First step, you need licensed version of Copilot. Second step, in Microsoft 365 admin, you will have to enable Frontier program. And third step, you'll have to enable Anthropic in Copilot settings. Step-by-step video is available here. Even after enabling all these, if you don't see the Claude option, wait for some time. By end of Feb, all customers should get it as per Microsoft's documentation. All the prompts and the output of all the prompts are available to you as PDFs. I created these prompts using Prompt Coach. Remember, when it's individual prompts for finance, marketing, and HR. The objective in this case is how to use AI in financial planning and analysis. Same prompt given to Claude, same prompt given to GPT. So let's see the results for the finance scenario. In case of Claude, it was 8 pages. Case of GPT, it was 11 pages. But in terms of coverage of topics and the level of detail, both fared quite well. When it came to the workflow, Claude version was more tabular. In case of GPT, it was more verbose. Both of them created the RACI matrix. RACI is responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed, a common tool used in project management. So by and large, I found the output of both quite comprehensive and adequate. So I've given a rating of 4 to both of them. Next, let's look at the marketing scenario. I gave the objective as creating a 4-week campaign to promote a webinar on maximizing ROI for M365 Copilot. I explicitly said what kind of deliverables I want and same prompt for both of them. So let's see the results. Left side is Claude, right side is GPT. In this case, Claude was more comprehensive and detailed. I found the calendar more sensible and more topical in case of Claude. So I've given a rating of 4 to Claude and a rating of 3 to GPT. Next, let's look at the HR scenario. Here I'm asking it to create a hiring pack for customer success manager. Even in this case, Claude is much more comprehensive and structured compared to GPT. The risk and bias section was also better represented in the Claude version. So I'm giving 4 to Claude and 3 to GPT. So total for Claude is 12 and total for GPT is 10 as far as this evaluation goes. Mind you, these are just subjective ratings based on what I saw. I'm not an expert in any of these three fields. And also, there are many other ways of comparing these two models. So if you found this useful and valuable, please like the video and subscribe to the channel to continue to learn more and work smarter. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching.